where the daylight retreats. Every whisper turns into stone. This is the song of being alone. No one hears the quiet cry, a melody that never dies. The song of alone. It plays when the night has swallowed home. A silent hymn, a hollow tone, carved in the bones. The song of alone. Windows glow with a life not mine. I watch through glass left outside in time. Every laugh is a distant drone. This is the song of being alone. The heart beats softer, slow, unseen. A ghost inside a broken dream. The song of alone. It plays when the night has swallowed home. A silent hymn, a hollow tone, carved in the bones. The song of alone. But in the darkness, I still find a fragile voice, a trace of light. Even alone, the soul can sing a quiet strength in everything. The song of alone, not just sorrow, but the seed that's sown. From shadows deep, a voice has grown, turning silence into my own. And the song of alone becomes my song. Echo under my feet. Shadows follow where the daylight retreats. Every